Hi, this is Jonathan Franklin from Samsung, coming to you from CEDIA 2024. What I have here are the latest versions of our ultra short throw projector family, the Premier. We've got two different models in the Premier. We have the Premier 7, which is rated at 2,500 lumens, and the Premier 9, which is rated at 3,450 ISO lumens. So they're bright enough to use even in a well-lit environment when paired with a great ALR screen. Now they're also easier to set up this year. We're going to have a feature available shortly that will allow you to keystone using your smartphone camera and the SmartThings application. Lastly, these are smarter than before. They have our latest version of the Tizen operating system, which includes Samsung Gaming Hub, so you have thousands of on-demand games available to stream instantly. They also act as an Alexa-enabled speaker, even with the screen off. So now you can shout out to your Premier to ask it to play your favorite song, ask it to play your favorite movie, and if you have a rollable screen that's synced up to it, you can literally start your theater experience all without picking up the remote. For more information on the Premier 7 and the Premier 9, check out Samsung.com.